हेलो एवरीवन, myself डॉक्टर हृदय शाह, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ जूलॉजी एनआरसी कॉलेज खुर्जा। आज मैं पढ़ाने वाली हूँ बुचेरिया या बुकेरिया बैंक्रफ्टाई के बारे में। तो बुकेरिया बैंक्रफ्टाई एक नेमाटोड है, नेमाटोड जिसकी बॉडी अनसेगमेंटेड होती है। इसकी बॉडी पर एक शीट होती है, एक मेम्ब्रेन होती है और इसकी बॉडी में कोई सेगमेंटेशन नहीं पाया जाता। ये क्लास फेजमिटा के मेंबर्स हैं। फिलीफॉर्म इनकी बॉडी होती है और फेरिंग्स जो है वो बल्बस नहीं होता है, यानी कि उसमें कोई भी श्रिंक्स या फोल्डिंग्स नहीं होती। नेमाटोडा का मीन्स होता है नॉट सेगमेंटेड और राउंडेड वर्म्स। फेजमिटा मीन्स caudal sensory organ present. Phaleroidea means filiform or thread-like structure which is found in blood in the form of microphyllary. There is some confusion in pronunciation. Actually, its name is according to its Brazilian doctor who discovered it, and his father was German. Therefore, the correct pronunciation is Bucheria. Bucheria bankrupti are filarial worms with long, thin, tapering worms without lip around mouth. Esophagus does not possess bulb or constrictions. The life cycle involves a blood-sucking insect. Adults are filarial worm and they produce microphyllary. So it is also called Filaria bankrupti. It lives in man in warm countries such as Arabia, India, Malaya, China, Korea, Japan, West Indies, Brazil, and South Pacific islands. Filarial worms is a dreaded human parasite of human blood and lymph. It is a digenetic parasite completing its life cycle in two hosts. Final host is man, harboring the adult worm, while intermediate host is the blood-sucking insect, usually a mosquito. Adult worms live coiled up in a lymph gland and lymph passage of man, where they often obstruct the flow of lymph. Now we will talk about morphology. Adult worms are filiform and cylindrical in shape, and both body ends terminal bluntly. They are colored creamy white, sexes are separate, and there is a distinct sexual dimorphism. Female measures 65 to 100.25 mm in diameter, while male 40 mm in length and 0.1 mm in diameter. Mouth aperture is simple without lips. Pharynx or esophagus is divided into an anterior muscular portion and a posterior glandular portion. A esophageal bulb is lacking. Intestine is simple as in other nematodes. Posterior end of male is sharply curved ventrally, containing a number of genital papillae, caudal elli, and two unequal copulatory spicules. Vulva or genital pore of female is located ventrally in a pharyngeal region and provided with pyriform ejector mechanism or objector. Now we will talk about microphyllary. The females are ovoviviparous, lays egg with well-developed embryos, and the embryos are known as microphyllary, having a length around 275 micrometer, and they pass through lymph nodes and reaches the main lymphatic trunk into the circulating blood. Microphyllary stops for the development in human being if they are not sucked by the mosquito, that is the intermediate host, and they can die. The lifespan of microphyllary is about 70 days. Microphyllary occurs as two biological different forms. Larvae of oriental countries like India and China, there is a nocturnal periodicity, so they appear in peripheral blood during night between 10 pm to 4 am, and they are transmitted by night biting mosquitoes like Culex fatigans, and the larvae of Pacific islands like Polynesia show diurnal periodicity, means daytime periodicity. They active in daytime and they are transmitted by day biting mosquitoes Aedes polynesis. Now we will talk about microfilarial periodicity. The accumulation of the microfilari in the lung capillaries usually by day active phase, and the distribution throughout all the circulating blood usually by night, it is the negative phase. Buccaria bankrupti is a diagenetic endoparasite and complete life cycle in man, the definite host, um, and mosquito, Culex and Aedes is the intermediate host. That means the definite host is man and the mosquito is its intermediate host. Female is viviparous and the life cycle completed in two hosts. A female is releasing numerous juveniles called microfilary. They are born in very immature stage, being in fact embryos rather than juveniles. They are microscopic, around 0.2 to 0.3 mm long, surrounding by a delicate cuticular sheath and containing rudiments of various adult structures. Body of a microfilaria consists of a surface covering of flattened epidermal cells and an inner column of cytoplasm containing nuclei. Important structures from anterior and backwards are further mouth or oral stylet, neighboring band, nephridiophore, rotted cell, darkly staining inner mass, large cell, and future anus. Microfilary discharge into the lymph vessel, soon enter blood vessel and circulate with blood showing active movements. They migrate to reside ultimately in deeper blood vessels of thorax, but they do not undergo further development until sucked by the intermediate host mosquito. Stages in mosquito. In the stomach of mosquito, microfilary lose their sheath, penetrates the stomach wall and migrates to thoracic muscles or wing musculature, where they undergo metamorphosis and grow. They change first to a plum sausage shaped organism, later to a more elongated form, and finally to a long cylinder juveniles of the third infective stage. Microfilary undergoes two molds in about 10 days to reach in the third stage larvae, which are about 1.5 mm long. Infective juveniles now migrate into the mosquito's labium or its proboscis. Here you can see the life cycle of Buccaria bankrupti. The mosquito leave its third stage larvae in the human body when the biting, and the third stage larvae turning into the adult stage in human lymph, and they obstruct the lymph passage, and it will cause lymphedema. And when the adults produce young ones, they produce microfilary, and the when the mosquito bite and health an infected person, it sucks the microfilary with blood, and when it goes into the stomach of the blood, its outer sheath become dissolved and it will be changed into the L1 phase larvae, and the L1 phase larvae is converted into the second phase larvae and then into the third phase larvae, and mosquito leave third phase larvae into the human body by its biting. In human host, when mosquito bites a fresh human host, infected juveniles comes out to the labium of the skin of the victim. Filariform larvae penetrate through the wounds made by the mosquito. Worm larvae travel from the point of entry into the human skin to the lymphatics. They grow and molt twice before becoming adult. When the mosquito pierces its proboscis into another potential human host, the infective juveniles comes out the labium of the skin of the victim and enter it. They probably penetrate through the wound made by mosquito and enter blood of the human host. In new human host, Juveniles pass into lymph gland and lymph passage where they coil up and develop into the adult womb. Adults copulates and female deliver microfilary. Pathogenicity of Buccaria bankrupti, filarial worm lives in the lymphatic system of the man where they obstruct the flow of lymph, causing a severe condition called the elephantiasis, in which the limbs or other body parts grow to enormous size. The diagnosis of the filaroids involved the study of microfilary. After staining, microfilary of different species are identified after their specific shape and morphological characters. Occasionally, hyperplasia of muscle fiber may be observed, or symptoms of filarial infections, including fever, tenderness of infected parts, eosinophilia, inflammation, and transient swelling. An anxiety causing by fear is of considerable importance. Thick blood smears are preferable in examinations for microfilary. Light infections produce no serious symptoms. It causes filarial fever, mental depression, headache, etc. But in heavy infections, accumulation of living or dead worms eventually block the lymphatic vessels and glands, resulting in various pathological conditions. Most spectacular is the immense swelling of the affected body parts, termed elephantiasis or filariasis. Due to the lymphatic obstruction, lymph cannot get back into the circulatory system, accumulates into the organ, and causes them to swell and enlarge to fantastic proportion. It is called lymphedema. Generally, it causes into the lower limbs, scrotum of males, lacs, and mammary glands are affected. Concurrently, there occurs inflammations of lymphatic vessels or lymphadenitis. Itis means होता है inflammation, and lymphatic glands means lymphedema. In severe cases, abnormal connective tissue form in the affected areas to further complicating conditions. There are some treatment and therapy. Infections may be reduced or eliminated by eradication of mosquito of microfilary from circulation by administering hydrogen and compounds of antimony or arsenic. Eradication of mosquito by insecticide or by other control measures can take place. Reducing infection amongst mosquito is more effective. Treatment is carrying by using hydrogen or cyanide. Movement from areas of infection. Protecting from mosquitoes using mosquito net or mosquito repellent while sleeping in night, and control of breeding of mosquitoes. So the prevention is better than cure. So we will save ourselves from mosquito easily, because there is no definite medicine for this disease elephantiasis.